Hi, Abigail. This is so fabulous. I'm so excited. So, Abigail was a participant of Color Your Calm Workshop. So, Abigail, do you want to just give some feedback? Good, bad, and different? How does it feel? How did it work?
It was really great. We just had I like listening to the stories.
Thank you.
And just having
so
open for discussion.
Yes.
There's lots of different experiences that I learned from different people's stories and advice I got.
That's so
really great. And then the coloring was really nice.
Fun.
Relaxing. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
And then the
I'm
coloring.
going to give a kudos to Abigail because she walked in the space. She was by herself.
Yeah.
Solo journeys work, people. And she was able to connect and be engaged with the program. So I appreciate you, Abigail. Thank you. Forward to our next one, August. What is it? Flex and reflect. So you'll be reflecting all of your skills and we'll be reflecting on how we can move to the next journey. So see you soon. Forward